Hi, boys and girls. For our story today, we are going to read The Vegetables We Eat. All right, let's make sure you can see this. All right, the vegetables we eat. Look at all the vegetables. Vegetables are the parts of plants that are grown to be eaten. Most are annuals, some are perennials. Perennials are plants that grow for many growing seasons without having to be replanted. Annuals are plants that grow for only one growing season. They must be replanted to grow again. It is good for us to eat vegetables. They are nutritious and help keep our bodies strong and healthy. They are tasty too. We eat vegetables in different ways. Look, you can just eat them plain. You could put them in a salad or in a soup, or maybe you could dip them in something. Vegetables grow to be different shapes, sizes, and colors. Botanists group the different kinds of vegetables according to the part of the vegetable that is eaten. There are 8 groups of vegetables. Leaf. A botanist is a scientist who studies plants. Bulb, flower bulb, root, tuber, stem, fruit, and seed. Leaf vegetables. We eat the leaves, We eat the leaves of these vegetables. Iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, Bibb lettuce, red leaf lettuce. This says some other lettuces, some other leaf vegetables. Cabbage, watercress, parsley, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. Bulb vegetables. We eat the bulbs that grow beneath the ground. White Spanish onion, some other onions. Yellow globe onion, red globe onion, sweet Vidalia onion, scallions, and leeks. Flower bud vegetables, white snowball cauliflower, some other cauliflowers, cheddar cauliflower, purple head cauliflower. Some other flower bud vegetables are artichoke and broccoli. The flower buds of these vegetables are eaten. The roots of these vegetables are eaten. They grow beneath the ground. Root vegetables, early wonder beets, Detroit dark red beets. Some people eat beet greens, red ace beets. Some other root vegetables are parsnips, carrots, radishes, rutabaga, and turnips. Tuber vegetables, Kennebec potatoes, some other potatoes. Yellow Yukon gold potatoes, red Norland potatoes, russet Burbank potatoes, purple Peruvian potatoes. The edible part of these vegetables, the tuber, grows beneath the ground. Look in that picture there. These are stem vegetables. The stems of these vegetables are eaten. Some stem vegetables are perennials. Golden self blanching celery. Celery is an annual. Golden self blanching celery, Ford hook celery, giant Pascal celery. Some other stem vegetables, asparagus, that's a perennial, and rhubarb is a perennial. Fruit vegetables, best boy tomatoes, some other tomatoes, ultra sweet tomatoes, beef eater tomatoes, yellow tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, sugar plum tomatoes. Here are some fruit vegetables that we eat. Some other fruit vegetables, eggplants, cucumbers, yellow squash, hot peppers, zucchini, butternut squash, pumpkin, and sweet peppers. Seed vegetables, green beans, some other beans, yellow wax beans, pole beans, kidney beans, navy beans, lima beans. We eat the seeds of these plants. Some seed vegetables grow in pods. Sometimes the pods are eaten too. Some other seed vegetables, pod, green peas, snow peas, corn. Corn is a seed vegetable that does not have a pod, it has a husk. Soybeans are a special type of seed vegetable. They can be used in many ways. Some soybeans are used to make food products. Soybean oil is used to make many non-food items. So soybean oil is used in most household vegetable oils: margarine, tofu, soap, soy sauce, cloth, paper, plastics, paints, and soy milk. How to grow your own vegetable garden. Fertilizers are substances added to soil as food for plants. A shovel may be used to turn over the soil. A rake may be used to smooth the soil so it is ready for planting. When it gets warm enough, many people enjoy planting, growing, and later harvesting their own vegetables. Most often, they buy packets of seeds that have directions. Some people plant starter plants, also called seedlings. Most of the time, vegetable seeds or starter plants are planted in straight rows or circles. Sometimes strings or sticks are used to help straight rows or to support climbing plants. When seeds are covered in a circle and covered with a mound of soil, the mound is called a hill. These are starter plants and seeds. A trowel is used to dig small holes for seeds and seedlings. The garden must be weeded and watered regularly. The plants begin to grow. Sprinkler, scarecrow, watering can, hose, and a hoe may be used for weeding. In cities, people may grow vegetables in containers: sweet peppers, green beans, tomatoes, lettuce. The vegetable plants will become bigger until they are ready for harvesting. Great big vegetable farms. Fertilizers are added to the soil. A plow turns over the soil. A harrow smooths the soil so it's ready for planting. A planter places the seeds in a straight line. Farmers fertilize the soil. Then the fields are plowed, harrowed, and planted. Some vegetables are picked by hand. Other vegetables are harvested by machines. Big sprinkling systems are used to water the vegetable plants. At the end of the growing season, the vegetables are harvested. Refrigerator trucks haul the vegetables to processing plants. There they will be washed and sorted. Some are frozen, some are canned, and the rest will be sold fresh. The vegetables are shipped to stores near and far away for people to buy. At grocery stores, fresh vegetables are on display. Canned vegetables line shelves. Frozen vegetables are found in freezers. Some people buy fresh vegetables at farm stands. It's fun to pick out what to buy. Look at all the delicious vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Benjamin Franklin introduced soybean seeds from France to the United States around 1800. The province of Ontario grows the most vegetables in Canada. More than half of the world's soybeans are grown in the United States. The largest bean is called the yard-long bean. It can grow to be about 3 feet long. Potato plants originally came from South America. Vegetables can be grown using water filled with nutrients. No soil is used. Botanists call this type of gardening hydroponics. There are about 30 different types of potatoes. About 1/3 of the vegetables grown in the United States comes from California. Don't forget, it's important to eat vegetables. They are good for you. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did so great reading along with me. We're going to do a fun little reading activity next. I'll see you then. Bye.